Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here today with your love and spiritual guidance for June 16th to the 30th. Welcome and thanks for being here. Hope you like and resonate with this. If you do, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to drop a comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are interested in the extended version of this where we go deeper, we reveal what you and this person really want in this connection, angel messages to help the two of you move this connection forward and reveal some secrets and some details that will surely provide some help and extra guidance if you need it. So check out the description box down below for the link for that. Aquarius, let's get started. So how do you feel about this person June 16th through the 30th? This is a love interest. You may feel that things are out of control or getting out of control because something is going on between you and them that seems to put you in a place of searching for answers or clues as to what is going on currently. So you may find yourself seeking guidance. So if you do need help, if you would like guidance, if you would like to speak with someone who has the God-given talent to help you in that area, I do provide services for that. So check out the description box below and reach out if you're interested in getting that same day messages. Okay, so yeah, you guys may be interested in learning more about what's going on with someone that you're interested in. It could also be that maybe you guys are trying to understand what is happening with this person in their life right now. Maybe you could be at a distance from them for some of you, but you may have figured that a loss with them will be better instead of working things out. But now the tables are turning, Aquarius. Something is changing during this time frame where you may feel that you kind of depend on this person's emotionally. Maybe you're depending on them emotionally or financially, or you kind of feel like you need this person around. There's no one else like them. So now you actually want to be with them, I feel. And this comes after a time of reflection. This person and how they feel about you. They could be feeling aggravated with the pace of the connection. They want more time with you. They want everything with you. Everything that you are willing to give, they'll take. They want peace with you, or to make peace with you after realizing a few things about their actions in the past. This person feels that they want to win you over, and they also want to keep things going at a pace that is comfortable to you at the same time, but they do want to start seeing progress. They want to start seeing signs of progress with you. They want the things that you want, and that's them being honest. Whatever it is that you want, that's what they want. If you want to just end things completely, it's going to be extremely hard for this person. They'll wind up fighting for you to keep you. But if your final answer is no, that's what it is. But I don't feel that that is in your best interest to do this, Aquarius. For some reason, I don't feel it. But it also depends on the situation, because some of you, I don't want to mislead you. You have to make your decisions on your own. However, this is just looking at how you feel, how they feel, okay? My opinions rarely exist in, this love guidance here. So, how do you view this person? This could be a person who's born in January for some of you. Could be an Aquarius like you, or a Capricorn, or this is someone who may be a life path 1, a leader. They don't have to be. Could be another Aquarius, a Libra, a Gemini. Doesn't have to be, but it's there. This is a person who you see has too many things on their mind at once. Like, this person overthinks. So Aquarius, you're looking at this person like, okay, you just have too much going on and I need your attention now. Okay, so this person could have done things to keep themselves busy, to keep themselves inspired, busy, distracted, because maybe they're just so frustrated with the level that your connection's on right now. And maybe that's why they've thrown themselves into other things. But this person kind of needs your attention. That's how you see them, okay? This is a person with too many things on their plate, too much to do. You could be screaming, hey, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? You know, that could be the kind of thing that you're wondering. This is a person who seems to be artistic or a musician. So this could be a person who's busy focused on creative endeavors and coming up with creative ideas or ways to express themselves to you even. This could be a person who's singing to you, could be rapping about you, could be, I don't know, it could be different, could be anything. This person could be just focused on their work in the studio. They could be a writer, composer of music. They don't have to be, but I'm just calling a few things out. This person could be an artist. They could be creating a nice painting for you, or even if it's not for you, this could be something that they do for a living. They could have a creative job. You know, it could be any kind of creative or fine arts kind of career for some. Doesn't have to be, but that's what's coming up. That's what I'm getting here. But you see this as someone who is needing to develop more positive thinking, because the kind of thoughts that's coming into this person's mind about you or about this connection, it's showing through something that they're creating, and it has you feeling like this is just getting way out of control. This is just going way too far. This is just, it's something that triggers you. I feel it's something that this person's doing that triggers you. And, you know, their attention is being pulled in a different direction. Now, how does this person see you, Aquarius? This is someone who could be a water sign, an Aquarius, a Pisces, Scorpio, or a Cancer sun sign. Could have water in their chart as their sun, moon, or rising, if not a water sign. So we have two elements, air and water. However, it could be any sign for any one of you. This is a person who sees you as having an inspiration that is no longer there. You kind of have to dig deep to find your own inspiration at this time. It could be your inspiration to love again. Could be your inspiration to love them a certain way. They see you as a young romance, or their sweetheart, their high school sweetheart, their elementary school sweetheart, someone who they fell in love with a long time ago. Or you could be really younger than this person, Aquarius. But either way, it's something youthful about you. It's like you're either younger than them, or they've been wanting you or liking you for a long time. Or maybe even this is a romance that is fresh for this person. Either way, this person wants to rekindle a spark with you. They want to bring back the desire and the passion within an old connection. They want to revamp the connection. That's what I'm getting here. This could be a twin flame who wants to flame it up again with you. So the way they see you is that you too possess creative energy, or you could be an artist, a musician, a painter, singer, whatever, dancer, doesn't matter. But this person sees you having creative energy too, and having inspired ideas as well. So the things that they're working on, they see you, being the same way. And so I feel like some kind of way this person sees that they want you to renew your emotional strength. And I think that this person feels like you really do a good job at tapping into your deepest emotions when you're being creative. Like, are you a writer of some sort, a musician of some sort, an artist? What do you do? Because it's something that you may not do as a 9-to-5, but it is something you can do that this person kind of thinks you could throw yourself into more to keep your mind off of being frustrated about what they're doing or what they're working on. It could also be a person that sees a talent in you that you don't see in yourself, that they could be encouraging or pushing you toward as well. So it could be that they're trying to get you to feed into your urges that you may have to dance, do music, act, or sing, or whatever it is. This person's like pushing you towards success with their, like, they root for you. They're rooting for you to do something, to wake up and reawaken yourself, okay? This person wants to bring you life. They want to bring you life. They want to spice things up with you. They want to help you find your true path. They want to help put you on your true path. So this person sees that you're becoming more intuitive, and as you're becoming more intuitive, you're also becoming more sensitive. The more you tap into your intuition and do spiritual things, and maybe you're getting closer to God, whatever it is that you're doing spiritually, whether you're praying more, going to church more, getting closer to God more, you're into crystals more, or you're into learning about different things in spirituality, whatever it is that you're doing is making you more sensitive, where you're sensitive to energy more, your mood changes more, you feel more sensitive to things that they do because you're so tapped into your divine femininity. If you're a female watching, you could be a male watching and still be tapped into your divine femininity, because males have feminine sides too, and that's where your emotions live. Your feelings are living. Where your feelings live. So whether you're male or female, this person feels like you're more tapped into your feelings and emotions the more you get spiritual, and the more you meditate, the more you pray, the more you become like better as a person, the more sensitive that you're becoming to them and to a lot of different things. And it's really doing something to you. You could be an empath or learning that you are an empath during this time, and your person can pick this energy up. So what they're trying to do, I feel, is help you get that inspiration again. And maybe you won't feel like things are out of control in the connection, just because this person is so invested in their work and their job and what they're doing and what they've got going on. Maybe it'll help you take your mind off of them so much and focus more on you, or building something for you, or tapping back into the things that you love, that inspires you. So it's like they're kind of trying to shift your focus and help you understand what they're trying to do at the same time. To go deeper, get the extended. God bless.